Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a ragi smoothie. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of ragi flour, 1 cup of milk, a sweetener like honey or dates, and any fruits you prefer, such as a banana or some berries. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, nutritious boost to your day, providing essential nutrients and sustained energy. It's a fantastic way to incorporate this healthy grain into your diet. Now, let's prepare the ragi base. In a small saucepan, combine about 2 tablespoons of ragi flour with half a cup of water. Stir well to ensure there are no lumps. Place the pan over low heat and cook, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens into a smooth paste. This process takes only a few minutes and is crucial for a smooth, digestible smoothie. Let it cool slightly before moving to the next step. With your ragi paste cooled, it's time to blend everything together. Pour the ragi paste into your blender. Add 1 cup of milk, your preferred fruits like a banana or a handful of berries, and a sweetener such as honey or a few dates. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, you can add a little more milk to reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your delicious and healthy ragi smoothie. You can easily customize your ragi smoothie to suit your taste. Try adding a pinch of cardamom, some chopped nuts, or even a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. This versatile drink is perfect for any time of day, offering a delicious and healthy option. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your personalized, nutritious ragi smoothie, knowing you've made a great choice for your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.